leaders gathered in Cairo for an emergency summit to discuss the escalating crisis in Gaza. Hamas urged the leaders to thwart Israel's plans of relocating Palestinians from Gaza, calling on them to play an effective role in ending the humanitarian tragedy. The group emphasized the need to block any displacement efforts and safeguard Palestinian rights. Meanwhile, Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas welcomed Egypt's Gaza reconstruction plan, which aims to rebuild the war-torn enclave while ensuring Palestinians remain in their homeland. Abbas reiterated the Palestinian Authority's categorical rejection of any forced population transfer and commended the countries that swiftly opposed the idea. He also criticized Israeli practices in the West Bank and Jerusalem, warning they undermine the two-state solution. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres backed the Arab-led initiative for Gaza's reconstruction. Speaking at the summit, Guterres stressed the importance of resuming ceasefire negotiations without delay and expressed concern over rising violence in the West Bank. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi highlighted the suffering of the Gazans and urged the summit to adopt the reconstruction plan, reaffirming that peace cannot be achieved through force. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has called for urgent action to stop annual losses of 850 billion rupees by state-owned enterprises. Speaking at a special cabinet meeting in Islamabad, he termed these entities as bottomless pits and stressed the need to end circular debt in the power sector. The meeting marked 1 year of his administration, formed after a power-sharing deal between the PMLN and PPP.
जो SOEs हैं, यानी स्टेट ओन्ड एंटरप्राइजेस, उसमें सालाना 850 अरब रुपए आपका डूब रहा है। तो अगर आप ये पैसे ले भी आए अदालतों से अपना इन्फोर्समेंट के जरिए, अगर आपने इस जो एक बॉटमलेस पिट है 850 अरब रुपए जो आपके कौमी जो इदारे हैं जो बिल्कुल बंद हैं और वहाँ पर लॉसेस और वहाँ पर खराफात के अलावा कुछ नहीं होता, ये जब इस सुराख को बंद नहीं करेंगे तो मैं समझता हूँ कि तरक्की जो है वो हमेशा हमारे से आगे भागती रहेगी। इसको ख़त्म करना है।